This is question number 4 of miscellaneous exercise. This is also of same type of question, finding the inverse function. The function f is given such that it is from R to R, okay, for x belongs to -1 to 1 only, such that fx equals to x whole upon 1 plus mod x. X can be here any real number, okay. Now to find out the inverse of any function, first we have to find out that whether the function is 1 1 or not, or the function is onto or not. To check this function 1 1 and onto, okay, we will try the same method. We have taken from its range two values fx equals to fy such that both are equal. Now as per the definition of the function, these will be x, fx will be equals to x upon 1 plus mod x and y will be 1 plus mod. Now we know about the modulus function. Here is a modulus function, so x can be positive or negative both, but the as per the value of x, then if the value of x is positive we will get the different result, and if the value of y is negative. But if you see that if we are getting the same sign of x and y, then we will get the same kind of function, and if we will take the different sign of x and y, then we will get the different kind of function. So there will be two cases when x and both will be having same sign, means either both will be positive or both will be negative. And the another case will be when the x and y will be having different sign. So here also two cases, when x will be positive then y will be negative, and when x will negative then y will be positive. So first we are starting with the sign, different signs, okay, that we are taking as a case first. X and y are having different sign. So in first case we have taken x as positive and y as negative, okay. So this function will be equals to now x upon 1 plus x, because we have taken x positive, so the sign of x will not change here. And y we have taken negative, so y, the sign of y will change because of this modulus function, okay, in case of negative. So y upon 1 minus y, now simplify it, okay. So from here simplification, when we will cross multiply and simplify it, what we will get, we will get 2xy equals to x minus y, okay. Now see, when the sign of x and y are different, then 2xy will be always negative, and x minus y may be positive or negative, but in no cases, okay, this value will be going to be equal. Hence this is not a possible case. Similarly, if we take y positive and x negative, then also we will get a same kind of relation, where 2xy will be equals to, we will be getting y minus x. That case will also be not possible, okay. It means for different sign this function is not possible, so we are not going to take that, okay. Now the second case, when x and y are having the same sign. So first we are taking as a positive sign, so x upon 1 plus x equals to y upon 1 plus y. When we are simplifying, we are getting x equals to y. So here we are getting that f is a 1 1 function, and it is a possible case, okay. If we will take both negative, then also we are getting x equals to y. So this is also one case. So in this case, when we are taking an x and y with same sign, then we are able to prove this, that f is 1 1. And when we are taking the different sign x and y, that case is not possible, so that we will not consider. It means finally this function is a 1 1 function. Now to prove this function as 1 on 2, let us see. we have taken a y which belongs to R such that y is in between -1 to 1. Now to prove, we have taken fx equals to y. Put the value of x upon 1 plus mod x equals to y. Now again x may be positive or negative. So in case first, okay, we are taking x as a positive. So x upon 1 plus x equals to y such that we are getting, after simplification, x equals to y upon 1 minus y. Now if y belongs in between -1 to 1, then x will be always a real number. So that is the domain of f. Hence in this case this function is a onto function. See the case 2. X is negative, x upon 1 minus x equals to y. After simplification, what we are getting, x equals to y upon 1 plus y. For the value of y is in between -1 to 1. So in that case always we will get x as a real number, and that is the domain of f. So for every value of y we are getting some value in the domain of f. Hence fx is onto function. Now for this question we have to prove only whether the function is 1 1 and onto or not. So we have proved that fx is 1 1 and onto both.